Can you lift it? Look at that. That's amazing. That's it. And then just push it forward, and then we'll get everything out of here. Got our drain thing in there. Grab that. So we'll go ahead and we'll set that down for a second. We'll put that on first. And I do believe this is going to go on the bottom right here. And then this is going to go around this here, and it's going to connect right on that down there. So that's what we're going to do next. So we've got to open this so we can get it around the edge of this. So I'm going to let you kind of point this at me. So this has got to go around this, like this. So I'm just going to get it through there first. And we've got to kind of squeeze it to get it on there. So there we go. We're right now. We're on there. See, can you see it? So I got to come all the way up with the pliers to get a good squeeze on it. And then I'm going to push it down on here. So we got to go down here, right here, right? And what I'm going to have to do is I'm going to have to can you see it good? My hands? I'm going to turn it this way, right? This way I can put it on here, just like that. And then I can squeeze this so that I can push this farther on. So it's all the way on. And then when I let go of that, it locks it down on there. And that should give us... So I took off the old hoses and I'm going to install new ones. All right, so anyway, we've got to put our washers in here. So go ahead and stick one in one of them there. Smush it down. Put one on that side. Okay, that's good. Now we're going to go ahead and put these on there. Hold one of those. Yeah, like that. We'll just get that on there. And so it doesn't really matter which side we put it on, as long as we get them on there. And they're going on pretty good. So I think they'll be fine. I'm going to just hand tighten them. That's it. I'm just going to hand tighten them so I don't get too crazy. Let's see how this one does. We're going to know when we turn the water on if it's going to...
Yeah, the leak will tell you how much it takes.
If water squirts out of there, we know we got a problem. We got to get them tighter.
All right, so let's turn the water. Oh, wait. Not yet.
You might want to put these on.
To do that.
So now what we got to do is we got to take these and we've got to get them onto here. But before we do that, we got to put our washers in. So we've got washers. Let's do one at a time. Go ahead and shove it in there. Make sure we get it in good. Okay, let me grab that one. I got it. You can let go of this one. So hang on to that one, this side. So I'm going to go here with this one, right? Because we want to make sure we get the hot and the cold in the right spot. So that's on there. And then we got to put that one on there. Now we're turning. I just needed two hands, that's all. All right, so that. Now what I've done is I've tightened it as tight as I can with my hands. So. All right, so next we have to turn both of the valves on. And so you can see I'm turning them counterclockwise to get the water in there. Okay. So we don't see any leaks, right?
No.
Okay, good. I'll tell you when you're close enough for me to get this in there, because we don't want to go all the way back. Right now, if you can get it in there, that's it, right like that. Okay, now, would you like to do the honors?
We'll figure it out.
Okay, so, all right, now what we have to do is start it up and see if it works.
We should probably run it once, right?
Yeah.